So another question that I get asked very often is, am I a coach? Am I a trainer? Am I a trader? Am I a teacher? So first, let me tell you the difference between coaching and teaching. So a teacher is someone who passes on knowledge, while a coach is someone who guides someone from point A to point B and understands where they are and where they want to go, and what is their final destination. So based on that, they will guide them which is the best route to reach there. So that is the difference between coaching and teaching. Teaching also involves a lot of sharing knowledge and just passing it on to the student, while coaching is more of interaction with the student and the client, and also understanding detailed psychology of understanding what they want to do and where they want to go and how is the best and the fastest and the furthest way to do it. So that is the difference between coaching and teaching. So I do a mixture of both. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share and follow my page and watch out for more, because I will be sharing more videos like these.